Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you a lockdown math activity, that is mathematical bowling. So to play this game I have made my own alleys like this, and on each alley I have written the numbers from 1 to 10. And to play this bowling I have a ball with me. So alleys are ready and the ball is ready. Let's start the game. You can play with your friends or with the family members, and each one will have 3 chance in a round. So now I'm going to start, and my first round, and this is my first chance. Shall we start? Okay, and this is a starting point, and I'm going to throw a ball now towards these alleys. Yeah, no allies have fallen down. Now my score is 0 in the first chance. Okay, now rearrange it again. Okay, I have arranged the allies now. Again I am going to throw the ball, and this is my second chance. Yes, 4 allies have fallen down now. The numbers written 4, not 4, only 3. Sorry, 3. The numbers written on the allies are 10, 6 and 9. So my total score is 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 9 is 25 in my second chance, first round. Again I have the last chance now. Arranging the arrays now. Okay, I have my last chance. Okay, done. And I'm throwing the ball towards the alleys. Yes, and it is 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 9 again, so 25. In the previous chance I have 25, now also I have 25. 25 plus 25, my score in the first round is 50. Similarly, you can play this game with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. Like the video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.